Hello and welcome everyone. If you're new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Software Engineers. Vaibhav, is Salesforce good for fresher? Because you're not good in coding. Vaibhav, first thing to understand is that the coding that you have to do in the regular job is not the competitive coding. Okay, it is a myth that you have to be like a competitive coder in the job. Whatever coding is required in a job, in the way the coding works in a job, it is much easier to learn and it is very easy to implement. Because for example, let us say you get a client requirement. Okay, let's say you are working on Salesforce development and you get a client requirement, and one part of the client requirement is that you need to design a entry form. Okay, you need to design a data entry form where you have to take various things. Okay, now this is one of the most simplest level of coding where you clearly understand how each if it is a text box or it is date or if it is a drop down or it is a checkbox, what different kinds of controls are available and how you can design whatever form is required to be designed. And then from this form, whatever data is coming, how are you going to connect this data to the database? Okay, and that coding is very easy to do. Once you understand for one form, you can do it for any number of forms. Okay, and 80% of software development is like this. Okay, only 20%, and I would not even say 20%, I would say 5% of software development is very complex. For example, if you're building a Google Map application, then that will be very complex. Okay, but most of the software application is very much easy, and mostly when you're working on tools like Salesforce or Microsoft Dynamics or Pegasystems or Appian, such tools, it becomes much more easier. Okay, if you're working on .NET programming, then it is very easy to do software development. You don't need to be a great competitive coder. Okay, if you know software development, if you understand software development, then it is more than enough. Okay, you know, in today's date, the interviews they really ask tough questions and they really pick some really good software developers, and then they put them on a project where hardly any competitive or any kind of coding is required, and they put the best software engineers on such projects, and these software engineers get frustrated because they don't get to use their skills. Okay, they don't get to use their competitive coding skills, and finally these software engineers change the job. Okay, so 80% of software industry, the coding required in the software industry is very much easy and manageable if you have completed your B in computer science or any kind of computer science graduation. Is that okay? So don't worry about this. All of you who are still watching this video, like this video and subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. I do this live session on every Thursday at 9:05 p.m. If you are interested in how to become an A player, then in the description of this video you will find a link. Okay, thank you very much.